Hey everybody, so it's Geeky Girl, also known as Michelle, and I went out yard sailing this morning and my GoPro we discovered recently just completely stopped working. The trouble is it doesn't turn on, or it'll turn itself on like automatically. We got a cat fight going on. Hey boys, settle it. My gosh, seriously. But anyway, so I couldn't get any footage, but I am going to do like a short haul video. I couldn't do too many yard sales. I was on time limit because I had to go get some blood drawn for some labs. And but I did find a few things. I have $9 total investment in this. So let me show you what I picked up. I think I did pretty well. I would go by orders of sales, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave what I think is the best pick to last. So this whole bag of books is $1. Some of them might be worth something. You know, me and books, I'll pick them up if I think they're worth something. But yeah, $1 for all that, that's less than, what is that, 10 cents each? It's pretty good. Found this really cool Squishmallow. It's pretty clean. It is used. It's a Kelly toy, as they all are. There we go. A little faded on the tag. But this is cute, and I figured around Halloween time this will fly. Then I saw these 4 brooches. This was a separate sale. These type of brooches can be worth money if they're marked on the back. This one, as far as I can tell, is not marked. At least I couldn't see anything, but it still was a neat piece. This I got because it's cute and Christmassy with cats, and I figured around wintertime that'll start to sell. This was just a cool little gecko. Not marked on the back that I could see. I don't really see anything. Maybe something's in his tail. Nah, I don't think so. But this one's interesting. I don't know what to call this. It's not tile. But on the back it says Italy. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. I had it upside down. See how it says Italy? So that might be worth something. I don't know. It's just a really interesting piece. I'm not sure about the condition. It's not fabulous, but it's not terrible either. So, and I paid $1 each for these. Might have overpaid, but I don't think so. Then I found this really creepy. It's modern. I don't think it's vintage of any sort. This really creepy adult size mask. That was the same one as where I got this. But that's going to be really cool around Halloween time. Found a vintage, the Bible and Pictures from the 50s. Really cool. Get off! Oh, I see the tear. So this one I thought was the best buy, and it still might be the best buy. I see a little tear right here. This is in one of the arms. It is a nice puffy. Chicago Bills puffy. What's that side hit? Just has some condition issues. It is Logo Athletic, officially licensed with the NBA. And it's made in Korea, so I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's vintage just by the look of it. But like I said, it does have that one tear in the arm. So we'll see, but I love that one. This also is in really rough condition. It needs a good wash. But it's like a vintage 1980s or 1990s ski jacket. But it's filthy. Maybe I'm going to give it a good wash and see what happens. But here's the tag. Ski Alpine Ski. It's an XL made in Bangladesh. So I'm not sure if it's vintage or not, but it certainly looks like it, just given the colorway. But we'll wash that up. I paid $1 each for these things. So even if I only sell them for 10 or 15 bucks, that's still a really good return. And then this thing is filthy. Filthy. In fact, let's get it on the floor. But it's a true religion little satchel. It's really cool. It's got that. But it is disgustingly filthy, so I'm going to give that a wash. It doesn't feel like super high quality, but it's not something that people fake that I know of. Oh, I see the problem. Is it missing a strap? It's missing a strap. Well, we'll see what happens with that one. I think it's supposed to have a strap attached to these two things. And again, I paid for this, that, and that. I paid a total of, I'm missing, oh, and that was the same sale. I paid $2 for 4 things. So 50 cents into this. We'll see what happens. Someone might want it. even missing one of the straps. My problem when I go shopping is I get so excited when I find certain things that I'm looking at it and looking for flaws, but I miss things. Like I missed that tear in the Chicago Bulls thing, and then I missed the fact that the True Religion bag was missing one of its straps. I may or may not have picked it up, probably not, but the prices were so low. If I'm out 50 cents, who cares? I mean, seriously. But I'm trying to make money now for a new GoPro. I'm filming this with my Samsung phone, and yeah, I just upload the video and edit it on the computer. So, but yeah, now I got to save it for a new GoPro. I probably will sell off the other accoutrements, like if it's a different battery style. My batteries are still good. I might sell off used batteries, the charger, so I'll make some money towards the new one. But we'll see. But cat, they always got to sniff. Don't pee on that. Don't do it. Let me flip you around. Uh-huh. How do you think I did? Spent $9 on all that, and I definitely will make some money off of it. I wish I had more time, but I did need to get this done. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for coming along with me. I'm sorry I couldn't literally take you along with me this time, but I'll work on that one. All right. Talk to you next time. Bye.